Hello everyone, welcome to DevBuddy. So, our today topic is how to build a resume that gets selected. Resume format. In this, I will tell you the whole resume format, like how you have to create a resume so you can get shortlisted. Number one is header. In header, you have to add your name, your domain, and your links, and also your contact details. Number second is professional summary. In professional summary, you just have to add 3 to 4 lines. And you do not add the common keywords and creepy keywords like detail oriented, aspiring, I'm learning. No, just add 3 to 4 lines who you are and what you provide. Number third, technical skill. In technical skill, you can group into the categories. For example, the programming language. So in programming language, you can add Java, Python, C++. Second, database, like what type of database you know, like MongoDB, MySQL. Third, you can add the tools. What kind of tool you know, like for example, Jira, Notion, GitHub, Postman, etc. Number four, experience. In experience, you have to add your experience, like what internship you have done, what experience you have in your particular domain or role. Next, project. So whatever project you have made throughout your years, your personal project, your academic project, your internship project, you can add here. But you have to add only 2 to 3 projects that are strong and relevant to your domain. Number six, education. In education, you have to add your college name, your branch, and the graduation year, and you can also add your CGPA. But if you have 9 or above CGPA, then you have to add. Like if you have 6 CGPA, 7 CGPA, so you do not have to add. It's optional. Next, number 7, certification. Whatever certifications you have do in your relevant skill, your domain, you have to add. Number 8, achievement. Like if you have won any hackathon, you top in your college. So this is the whole format of resume. You have to add all this point in your resume. You can also take a screenshot of this. I hope you like the video, and for more this type of video, like, share and subscribe, DevBuddy.